Hi everyone, Mr. Dix here. This is lemon meringue pie, actually really difficult. There's three main things you're going to do, is make pastry, then make the lemon curd, and then make the meringue. So three separate skills all put together. This is quite difficult and will take quite a long time, but it is 100% worth it. So have a go, and as always, send me a picture if you do it, and I'd love to see it. See you soon. If this happens to you, don't worry, just squeeze it together again, just like plasticine. Don't squidge it up and re-roll it, but just squeeze it together. So you need to put something in to weigh it down. I put flour, it's old flour so it doesn't matter, but you can use rice, pasta, if you've got baking beans, even better. So as you see, mistakes happen. There was a crack when I baked it, so what's the answer? The answer is literally get some flour and a little bit of water and just make a very quick pastry and then kind of patch it together. It's absolutely fine, no one will see it.